Pastor, saan po papasok yung no matter what na statement, Pastor?
Sa lahat ng bagay. Yung sinabi ko ngayon. No matter what they do to you, no matter what if they accuse you, no matter what if they kill you, no matter what if you are doing everything good for the Father's Almighty's cause, and they still demonize you, no matter what they do, I will stay loyal, faithful, committed.
Amen.
Stay humble all the time. They let you suffer for doing good.
Yes.
So the glory of God is upon you. Done for evil doing. You suffer for evil doing, you deserve it. But these things you don't deserve. That's why malaki ang ganti mo sa langit. And this is our experience. This is my experience. I suffer for the good that I am doing.